How to secure your Trade W account with Biometrics. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are on the lookout for better ways to protect your trading accounts, then you can also enable the Biometrics option to secure your account. So here's how you do it. Launch open the Trade W application on your mobile device and sign in. Once you're inside the home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on My Account. Inside the My Accounts tab, scroll down and tap on Settings. Under Settings, tap Account and Security. And then scroll down and look for Biometrics Identification button and tap on it. On the next page, toggle on the button right next to Unlock App, and then, depending upon your device's operating system, you may need to go ahead and enable your Face ID or Biometrics. Tap on Allow in the pop-up, whichever option you want to enable, and then you have successfully turned on the biometric identification. Now, right after you enable this, you will be asked to scan your Face ID or Touch ID or Biometrics next time you try to open up the Trade W app. So right after you do that, you will be able to get access back to your account. Now you can trade with peace of mind. No more struggling with long passwords or worrying about hackers. Your fingerprint or Face ID is your key. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.